Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to recover Bitget wallet. Firstly, download and install the Bitget wallet app. Then when creating a new wallet, you will be prompted to set a 6-digit PIN. Just remember it because this is the one you're gonna use to recover your account. If you forgot your PIN code or cannot retrieve it, like a regular password, follow these 2 steps to reset it. Firstly, before deleting the app, make sure you back up your wallet to avoid losing access. To back up your numeric phrase or private key, tap the drop-down arrow beside your wallet, then select Management. Click on Private Key or View, Numerics, then choose the wallet network you want to back up. Use facial or fingerprint authentication to view and write down your numeric phrase or private key. Now you install the Bitget wallet app from your device and reinstall the app from the official Google Play Store or Apple App Store page. Select Import Wallet and enter your numeric phrase or private key. Set a new 6-digit PIN during the setup process. By setting a strong PIN code and securely backing up your numeric phrase or private key, you can ensure your Bitget wallet remains safe and accessible. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.